According to a 25 years long study conducted in UK, there is a 30% more chance to get dementia for people who slept for 6 hours or less in their middle ages. The study was initiated in 1985 with 7,959 participants at the age of 50. After 25 years, at the end of the study, 521 of the participants had developed dementia. This peer-reviewed study was published in Nature Communications on 20th April 2021. It found that people in their 50s, 60s, and 70s who slept 6 hours or less had a 30% more risk of dementia than those who slept 7 hours. The dementia was diagnosed at an average age of 77. Professor Gurchan Dijk, Professor of Sleep and Physiology at the University of Surrey, termed it a solid piece of research that has added to the growing evidence for a link between sleep and dementia. Doctors always recommend 7 to 9 hours of sleep a night. Sleep is crucial for brain health. It promotes learning and memory, helps synapses reconfigure, and helps to clean the brain of toxic products. As per Matthew Walker, a professor of neuroscience and psychology at the University of California, Berkeley, poor sleep causes destruction in body. It decreases the testosterone in men, affects the immune system, and could increase the risk of cancer. Recently, scientists are showing more interest in the association of the length of sleep and dementia. Illnesses like dementia develop over many years, and all previous studies were not for such a long period as this one. Dr. Sara Imariscio, head of research at Alzheimer's Research UK, termed midlife as the crucial time for research into risk factors as diseases that cause dementia occurs to decades before the symptoms like memory loss shows up. As per New York Times report, proteins that are associated with Alzheimer's accumulate in the brain 15 to 20 years before the occurrence of dementia. As dementia also causes sleep deprivation, it was not clear whether the lack of sleep leads to dementia or dementia leads to lack of sleep. Now, due to this prolonged study, the lack of sleep is more likely a risk factor for dementia. The link between sleep and dementia was evident from some of the early research. Beta-amyloid, a toxic protein linked with Alzheimer's, seems to accumulate in the brain with lack of sleep. Other studies suggest that sleep is also important to get rid of another Alzheimer's-linked protein called tau. The current study in the UK was independent of other factors such as socio-economic status, behaviors, and heart and mental health. The mental health is very important because problems such as depression can also be a risk factor for dementia and affect sleep too. The current study has some limitations, due to which the findings of the study are not completely conclusive. The data of length of sleep at night is subject to bias, as it was reported by the participants. The people that were studied were mostly white and were healthier than the average British population. The researchers of the study also relied on electronic health records of the participants in order to diagnose dementia in participants, so the risk of misdiagnosis may also exist. That's all for now. Please subscribe our channel for latest science news and discoveries.